Ola clear tu te in zava in chi bai vek bule hei tun nai zun ninga sang ni le som ni paruk mai khanin mizo tlangval Lalthazuala Nazareth Lalthazuala chuanin Philippines lammi fighter thadeu mai John Brutasa ahneya technical knockout in alan he zuya chu mai ba ka round khat na leka alani le ngala a baisi khop mai Nazareth Lalthazuala hi nakina sang tak le thleng thei turata na baisi pol tak mai ania Joshua Vanapo UFC champion lai ani thaya flyweight champion lai ani thaya khati ang thleng thei tur khanin theina anei ni ina hriat atuna po hianin base na aman nei sang khop maya contract mom tak mai tuna hianin an lui nok maya US dollar noi khat zet mai contract tuna hianin mowa India poisa phei chuanin cheng noi somriat pathum bor vel lai mai ania chuwang chuanin mizo tlangval Nazareth hianin mahun eng tak mai anaya hei aya sang tak tak ala thleng chho zel ani phei chuanin ahlawh hi ala tam chho thei don khop maya chuwang chuanin MMA mixed martial art hi aizon na tla khatling ani ti chu atilang chiang viewina hriat ani engponi se kan lompui tak zeta tun tuma kan ron ti chuat tur hi chu an komna interview karon ti chuak dona mizo ani na ang takin mizo tongin aron tong ngat maya angai san khop maya engponi sela ahlawh lampang khachu kan soi tum an soi tum berani lem lawa tuna fight nei zo chi apo khani engama za chu hlo to atin tuna contractor nen phei chuanin hausak nok na tham mizoram anga phei chuanin mi hausa ni theina tham hatling to ni engpo ni sila chu mai ba ka maun eng takana ya hai ai na sa zo kal hlo tin na sang tak chang chho zel thei ala ni le ngala chuwang chuanin a mahun han thlir bui hianin mahun eng tak anai ni chuwang chuan mizo te hianin MMA hi tuichil du tan chuanin hlok puina le hausak theina tham khopa hlotlina chan theina chance ania wangin thalai te hian atam thei ang berin khel mup sela ti hi kan du tak zet zet ani ole engponi se video kan thliranga Nazaretan Joshua vanboy thongina fuina thatak mai afuina awanga hetiang din mun thleng thei ani thu te po aron se chung vel da po chung le thlak tur om dona engponi sela a interview hi ngai thlapodila chumin nuwa anin fight na toite kan da tel don ni o.
If you like to say greetings to them first.
First, thank you for Mizoram and support me.
Mizo.
Ama saber jun pathian jun alom thu ga soya jun Mizoram mi puitele India ram hun sang atanga milo chan tu zong te milo chan tu zong te ne na thilung dagin lom thu ga soi ngal bokani.
He just wanted to thank his God, Jesus, his friends, his family back in Mizoram, then his gym, then India, who supported him, like everything. So he's just grateful for everything, and he just wants to thank everyone who is supporting him from the starting.
Thank you very much. A lot of people see your fights, but I don't think a lot of people know you as a person. And you're fighting out of Do Young MMA. So if you'd like to tell a little bit about your background coming up as, a Mizo Indian fighter from the suburbs or whatever part of India it may be. So coming up, how tough was it?
Ama saber jun game sang sang khel rina jun MMA amateur ka khel nuwa hanin professional line lampang ha lu ka du wangin sarmana sa Nuaih hin sarmana sa himin kau chua ani train professional bul ga trana ama changa tinga ron fight chau thai hi kani sarmana sa chunga po ka lom hle.
He just wants to thank me because he used to fight in amateur category. He became like 3-time national champion from Mizoram, but there was no support or no sponsorship for him. Then he fought in one of my league in India, small leagues, where we picked him, sponsored his training. Then we brought him to Guwahati, which is like a nearby state of nearby city of his hometown. So we brought him there. We used to give him money and he was training. So he just wants to thank him, me and our team.
Is it Do Young Gym?
Do Young.
Okay, that's cool. Is there any other aspiring MMA fighters from the gym that could potentially come to one championship someday?
Yes. There is many actually,
Many?
and we've been grooming and we are totally focusing on the amateur talents because the game is evolving. It's very new, so we are totally focusing on. Hopefully, in next 3 to 2 years, you will see many of them around me.
I hope so. So recently, I saw a post on Instagram from Josh Van you received a message from Josh Van, right? Did you draw any inspiration from Joshua Van as a fighter?
Joshua Van ama hi cái mà anh xem blood thì xem cái anh là vàng hai anh UFC champion này anh đi pon là thấy cho anh Mizo tới hiện cái thấy về này thì cả ama trang hai anh cháu nó liên tắc cái mua chú vàng chuyên ama ai rồi cái tùy thà thấy top cái chuột này Salman Nasa đó rằng gym Nuaih.
He said that Joshua Van is same as his tribe and his blood, so he think if Joshua Van can become such world champion, he can also become world champion. Yeah, so he said that, and that thing motivated him a lot to work harder again in his dreams, and he's very grateful to everyone who helped him, including me. So yeah,
Let's go with this. He literally wrote a message to him, right? Wishing him the best for this particular fight, tonight's fight. So did it give him any extra motivation to finish the fight like he did?
did Joshua Van message give you extra motivation for fight?
This fight, yeah.
This fight, because Joshua Van message you feel.
Yeah, world champion mấy vấn đề ha meron du sắc na meron lana chắc lâu ha tum lâu top chắc ha tum top.
Ta chi khanin asuya Nazareth khanin Joshua Van khanin Mizoram ron kal khanin fuina thatak tak mai asoi mai ba khanin MMA Fighter thatak tak bai sei om tak tak tikha fuina thu hlawhhnem cha nual ni om tak ania ama Nazareth nge poina soya world champion mewin du sakna minron lana chaklo kha katum lawani atia tuna interview a pohianin asoya chu wangchuanin Joshua Van khanin Mizoram local khan Mizo thalai de tan hi alovan tangkai em vele o ti hi ril ruwa om thaya soitong khanin Nazareth pohianin Joshua Van ne hianin thisen in ang kan nia thisen in zampui zona thla kan nia ani hianin chawna thar tak chawna na satak mai min peya UFC champion ani thei chuanin keipo hianin ka thei veang ka thei ve turani ti kema chawna lian tak mai min pe ani atia Nazareth po hian chung chu asoya chu wang chuanin Joshua Vanan Mizo tan hianin su nu masruai tu ani theina lai te po oma zona thlak tlangval tam tak te tan ma lohan siala masruai tu alo nia chuang tang chuanin Mizo tlangval ten chawna tharna satak mai an neya chung awang te chuanin hlotlin na po an chang chho mek ni in tundin hmona hena lang chho meka anakina ra tha alaran chhuat chho zel tura te po ngai la chiwang chuin Joshua Van kha zona thlak tlangval te hian tan hianin alawan tangkai em vele o ti te po ril ruwa alang rum theini anung aron zuinga tiang khanin mitam takin phun thar aron nei chho zelanga anakina chuanin Mizo te hi min ti ming thatur hianin UFC a hianin mi chuan omle mi ming thang tak an la ron lang lawang ti hi asoi thei me lo ni tuna po hian Nazareth po hi beisei om MMA Fighter tha adin anek anaboka cherang boka chuwang chuanin ama hian beisei na sa tak zoram pui thian tuna hian an nei chho me ka ni engpon ni sila video kan tlir chun jam zelanga kan en zel don nia.
We are totally focusing on the amateur talent because the game is evolving. It's very new, so we are totally focusing on. Hopefully, in next 3 to 2 years, you will see many of them around me.
I hope so. So recently, I saw a message a post on Instagram from Josh Van. Did you received a message from Josh Van, right? Did you draw any inspiration from Joshua Van as a fighter?
Joshua Van ama hi cái mà anh xem blood thì xem cái anh là vàng hai anh UFC champion này anh đi pon là thấy cho anh Mizo tới hiện cái thấy về này thì cả ama trang hai anh cháu nó liên tắc cái mua chú vàng chuyên ama ai rồi cái tùy thà thấy top cái chuột này Salman Nasa đó rằng gym Nuaih.
He said that Joshua Van is same as his tribe and his blood, so he think if Joshua Van can become such world champion, he can also become world champion. Yeah, so he said that, and that thing motivated him a lot to work harder again in his dreams, and he's very grateful to everyone who helped him, including me. So yeah,
Let's go with this. He literally wrote a message to him, right? Wishing him the best for this particular fight, tonight's fight. So did it give him any extra motivation to finish the fight like he did?
did Joshua Van message give you extra motivation for fight?
This fight, yeah.
This fight, because Joshua Van message you feel.
Yeah, world champion mấy vấn đề ha meron du sak na mi ron lana chak lo kha ka tum lo top chak kha ka tum top.
So actually what happened, actually I messaged Joshua to wish him because he recently before it's when he came Mizoram?
Yeah.
When did 28?
28.
Joshua actually visited his city in Mizoram for a tour but he couldn't go because he had his fight. So he really wanted to meet him. So he was very sad. I can see it in training also those days. So not sad he wanted to go. So I messaged Joshua Joshua, can you wish him or say something to him? He'll feel great. And he obviously very kind and humble champion. So he messaged him wishing all the best and stuff. And he's currently in Bangkok. So so it's good. So it motivated him. And he said,
hopefully you can meet him too.
And he was telling that because Joshua when watching me, I don't want to lose yet.
I'm sure he's watching because he's still in Thailand. He's in Bangkok. So maybe after the fight, you can set up some meeting. So apparently you have got your $100,000 contract, and congratulations again. I can just congratulate enough for that one. What's your goal going forward in one championship? Now as a contracted fighter.
I want to one championship strawweight MMA champion belt.
Yeah.
He said he want to.
Apparently, yeah.
He'll work out. I told him now the big guys will come for you.
Yeah. So, let's go back a little bit. So the first time, I think you were a bit upset that you didn't get the bonus because I really believed he deserved the one that night, the first one, not the second one. So now, 3 fight wins straight, 3 finishes in a row, and getting the contract. How is he feeling? How are you feeling? Your emotion from not getting bonuses that you deserved, in my opinion, and all of a sudden you got the bonus and the contract as well. Overall, how do you feel about that?
I'm very happy, and it's not real and not my dream. This is not real, not real, and this is real. I'm very happy.
Okay.
So he's been really working hard, and he's been even in Guwahati to survive. He's working in a guest house as a cleaner. So his life is really hard, and the story is really good. And we hope the more he grows, people will know more about it, and we'll also reveal more.
That's more than amazing. So I'm sure as a fighter, you must have been screening, the rankings and the weight class, the straw weight in one championship. So is there any particular fighter that you want to fight next?
No, I don't think, because he doesn't. He just tell me who's my next opponent. It's my job. So we are currently focusing on only one step, because we know sport is very new in India, and we are growing. Want to fight? He doesn't decide that. He let me decide that part. So you tell me I'll fight.
I think that's healthy, right? If you look at Joshua Van, he doesn't really care about the rankings, the fighters. He doesn't even know. I think the ranked fighters in his own division, and he all of a sudden he became a champion. So
I always tell him, just focus on your training,
your
diet, your sleep, recovery. Let me get this all complicated part, because that's not your job. We'll do that for you.
Right.
It's a
right.
demo.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So, thank you for the interview. And finally, anyone that you want to give a shout out to, the sponsors, maybe?
Thank you, Ronin FC, and thank you, Dojang MMA. Thank you for supporting me. And
for this fight camp, we also came here to Phuket Grappling Academy for 10 days of sparring camp, because longer is not possible. So there is a fighting tournament which is called Ronin Fighting Championship. They sponsored his camp, and also many people helped him. Sawmtea Khawlhring, people like them helped him. So we just want to give shout out to that promotion, and hopefully if it comes live, we'll share it with them, and they'll be also happy. And we also want to give shout out to Phuket Grappling Academy, who helped us, and big shout out to Thailand. They have helped India grow a lot, because every time we are growing only because of Thailand. We come here, we learn, we improve. That's how it is.
And a big shout out to you too. You've done so well to get
amazing.
contract.
Hopefully
get one championship.
Fine.
Very well done.
Sorry.
Hopefully we can do more.
Sorry if I cut you. So finally, let's just do it, Mizo. Just say a few words to your Mizo friends, Mizo fans. I'm sorry. No English. Just do it in Mizo. freely.
oh, tun chum hi ka thiam le thein awang an lawa Mizoram mi pui ten bin lo tong trai pui na awang liu nia min trong trai pui lo ulang chuan tuna po hian hne na ka chan don lawa min trong trai na wang liu liu le pathian mal somna nangma ni tanga ka don wang liu liu nia thei top chua pathian le kan ramtan le India kan ramtan thei top chua batuma pathian in hrisel na min pen ni chuan India hian champion belt ron hon ngai ka tumani chuan an vai India ram mi pui zong zong te bai ka lom tu in support na.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Nazareth. Kalam tu. Jesi kalam na.
Thank you.
Kha interview chu ni ya Nazareth hi min ngai tlom tak mai ni melani po hi pathian tri tak mai ani mel boka kha Joshua nen hianin ain ang katia an mel te po hi an fak om dun khop maya amak khop mai hetiang hlot na changta hi pathian tri tak mai le mi tumbu tak mai min ngai tlom tak mai hin lo ni sel maya pathian in mal som tla ki chu mala som thina ni ti hi atilang chiang thina ni pathian thil ti thei zia le pathian in choi moi tla ka ti te a choi moi thin zia atilang chiang em in kan ria chu wang chuanin pathian mal som tla kan nun hi apoi mo tak zet zet ani ala tuna chuanin in fight Philippines pa ne na in fight na kha toite anila en tur sei po om chuang lawa anin fight dei lawa round khat na technical knockout din dikhanin knockout ngal maya record nei thakop mai neng po ni sila toite in thlir ve shim te anga en to chu inom thonga alen lo te tan
are now a $100,000 contract winner. You are going to the big show. The North Star shines tonight.
Ole khai alom thiam khop men zari ta pokha contractor an soi mu chia chu arin phak ba ka ni ka ringa a shelok a kherin ka ring lawa amaro chu lo shelok to mai thei boka engpo ni sela an shil chia kha chu alom view ni ti chiang reng maya tam tham view maya kha noi US dollar noi khat zet chu India paisa chunin cheng noi somriat le ti vel dai maya ni ya turu hem khop maya in le lo po thatak mai adin ngal thei hial don ni ina langa alom pui khop mai tin a fight zota ga pokhanin engama za ta lo to bokania sei tong khan UFC te an lut chawanga ni kina hei aya sang jok te an lut chaw thei ni phei chuanin ala hlo turu view tura ngai la Joshua wana ang maya hlotlin na sang tak mai ala chan ngei po arin omtlata Joshua wanan ama lo han hroya ani hianin anung aron zui chhodon ni ina lang khop mai a fight nei to re reng hi Nazareth hi a fight hi a tha thin khop maya atum pui tha hi anor dau tut zela tiang hi UFC ram po hianin an du khop maya hetiang ang fighter tha hi chu an thlang nal zel mai ania ne satlia ang chi engamo technical knockout ni lem lawa rei tak ain nek nuwa tunge chak zo kang o ti thuwa wa nei na wanga an han chak ringot ang chi hi chu be se en kai phawak lo tuk lawa mi tan fu wak lawa UFC lam phei chuanin fighter tha mi bik ke an zong thina chu wang chuan UFC lam hian thlang thiam thin khop mai Nazareth po hi chu tiang thlang thei zinga chuanin atelin country a fighter tha atin nakin zela hetiang renga ni chho phei chuanin hei ai po hen ma la son chho zel lawang ti soi thei lawa khovel pum hianin kan langai sang em lawang ti soi thei mi lo ni tu din mana chuanin thei top chu a malam pan zel turin pathian tri na nen hoi sen na nen te mak nen kal chho zel turin kan du tak zet zedani ale khati zong kha tu tum garan ti chu thei chu ni mai sela thli tu te in zawain mang thale vek phot mai ule